Are you ready to thrive in the competitive virtual assistant industry? Discover the power of personal branding in the in-demand virtual assistant. Let's delve into the essentials of personal branding and marketing. An effective self-promotion strategy is key to making yourself known in this industry. As a virtual assistant, you are your own business. Building a strong personal brand can be the difference between securing clients and getting overlooked. Define your unique brand identity, your values, mission, skills, and strengths. Consistency across all platforms is crucial. Your message should be clear, consistent, and reflective of your brand. Highlight your accomplishments and share insights to connect with your audience. Authenticity and storytelling make your brand relatable and trustworthy. Share your journey, challenges, and successes. Your UVP sets you apart. Tailor it to your niche audience and address their pain points effectively. Establish your online presence with a professional website and leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Network both online and offline to build valuable connections and expand your reach. Unlock your potential with the in-demand virtual assistant. Get your copy now and start building your personal brand.